Una-una, merong dalawang namatay sa bata 5-year-old daughter sa OFW hapon. May tatlong injured. Currently, nasa San Juan de Dios Hospital sila. Rinurse sila doon. So, pag-assess natin, okay naman sila. Pero initial reports, I think, okay naman. So, they're there. They're receiving the proper medical care. Right? Okay, so the driver of the Ford Everest is in custody right now. General Aviation siya ang lead investigator natin. Custody yung driver. Yung driver ay may hinatid na pasahero. May isa siyang pasaherong hinatid at pagkababa ng pasahero, yung naman niyang ibaba yung bag ng pasahero, pumunta na yung pasahero sa pasok ng NAIA at doon na. Biglang dito namin yung sasakyan na umagasa. So right now, initially, mukha namang hindi pumunta dito yung driver para managasa. Hindi intentional dahil nga nakita natin meron talaga siyang hinatid na pasahero. Siyang dito. Dito siya dito, binaba yung pasahero at ayun, hindi natin ngayon alam kung ano nangyari. Ayoko munang magsasabi ng kahit ano yung detalye kasi ongoing ang investigation General Abesha ng PNP. So let us please allow the PNP to do its job. They are investigating it. They are interviewing the driver. The driver will be subjected to mandatory drug testing by the SOCO, by the PNP. And we will also have to look at other angles of the CCTV footage. So let's wait for that. But initially, mukha namang hindi siya pumunta dito para malagasan. We'd like to ask everyone to please respect the victims. Nabalitaan ko maraming mga social media footage na lumalabas ngayon ng mga taong nag-upload sa Facebook. Ang pakiusap lang po namin, gusto po naman po natin yung mga pamilyang namatayan. Huwag naman po natin sana gagamitin ito para lang kumuha ng views sa social media. Napakasakit po ng dinadaanan ng mga pamilya ngayon at huwag naman natin i-take advantage doon para lang makakuha ng mga views. I'm asking the media also, please, let us not use this social media footage, just to get mileage. Please not. Napakasakit po nito para sa mga pamilya. So let's please respect. So I'll just leave it at that. I will not entertain questions for now. Let's just wait for the PNP to do its job, and we will keep giving you updates as they come.